we're going to add rational expressions and then simplify if possible. The addition that we're doing is 5 over t minus 1 plus 3 over t. And first of all, we observe that the denominators are different, so we need to find the least common denominator. And these are both in factored form, essentially, so we know that the least common denominator will have a factor of t minus 1 and a factor of t. So we can say that the LCD is t minus 1 times t, or I'm going to write it in this form, t times t minus 1. And what I need to do now is to multiply each of these rational expressions by a form of 1 so that each one has this denominator. So for 5 over t minus 1, I need a factor of t, so I'll multiply by t over t. And for 3 over t, I need the factor of t minus 1, so I'll multiply by t minus 1 over t minus 1. Now let's do those multiplications. In the first expression, I'll have 5t over t times t minus 1. And in the second one, I have 3 times the quantity t minus 1 over t times t minus 1. Now let's go ahead and do this multiplication in the second numerator. We'll have 5t over t times t minus 1 plus, using the distributive law, 3t minus 3 over t times t minus 1. Now what I need to do is to add the numerators and write that result over the common denominator. So I'll have 5t plus 3t minus 3 over t times t minus 1. And when I add in the numerator, 5t plus 3t is 8t, and then I have minus 3 over t times t minus 1. And can we simplify this? Well, I can't factor 8t minus 3, and there are no factors that are common to the numerator and denominator. So this expression that I have right here is the sum that we were looking for.